Alright. Family job something named Crown Cloud. See if me got bust total of 44 yeah.
Call up, which new king of man crown them a horn up. Fans them why you come out of the floor, but I from a real go to go hijack a chorus. Take which program boy me no robot. Me no big friend in a wire if you focus. Your badness bogus, show me I show you.
Yo, man intro tough you know. I have to play back over.
The hard ball now kick them call up, which new king of man crown them a horn up.
Hardball now keep them call up which new king of man crown them out. Own up, MASICKA. You have to come good in a dog.
Them why you come out of the floor, but I from a real go to go hijack a chorus. Take which program boy me no robot. Me no big friend in a wire if
from the real goat you got hijack a chorus. A wrong thing you go do MASICKA.
Focus, your badness bogus, show me I show you. When this hoe you afraid feel loud up. If you see me with broom and in the yard I sweep. At the broom where you weave in your corner beat. Them a broom and no lean in the corner G. Them a broom I make people fear the street. Them broom where you can't treat me.
Man counteract your whole song they say in a dog when I talk about the man that sweep up yard in a bro. MASICKA, this is what clashes you know. Man literally tell us that the broom them where you say man you sweep up yard. A gunshot of fire. That's the only way them man they sweep up yard. MASICKA, you have to come solid for the next one, you know.
Never see them broom ya trouble but be a police. Them broom ya travel we come half a sea. Me no laps in a war, me a the war machine. About clarity, when me a the gunshot like a charity. Nobody me no sorry for me war with strategy.
That about clarity, me a give gunshot like charity. Nobody me no sorry for. Youth!
No policy, remember at me this gunshot. Anyway me catch you know I walk it. Any young grades when me mix when me mally with shot graze me daughter badness politics. Boy we do that disappear poof magically. Police ask the body.
MASICKA remember you tell a man say him pitney get shot and him never do nothing about it. Yeah man say a while ago the man we graze him daughter disappear poof magically. Family ask for the body for hold on, go back.
Anyway me catch you know I walk it. Any young grades when me mix when me mally with shot graze me daughter badness politics. Boy we do that disappear poof magically. Police ask the body for the family.
Man say boy we grazing daughter disappear poof magically. Police ask for the body for bury for the family. Woo woo. Don't play the art.
And bag a cussing and bad off and nothing. The tan beat you up and you dog a hugging. 438 new record a running. Only a bad pan pro to plug in. Beat nobody no hesitate for rush him. Pence if it done him the killers not trust him. Hear him a go a obey man not judge him. Cause him have a demon a hand bug him. Step, step, step. Anyway, anyway. Step, step.
MASICKA! You're dead! I like it, dog.
Mara fly, mama cry. Rise up the war machine fi cause a scene. A murder me like they cold me heart a freeze. Me show genocide is Sparta dark a fiend. Korea by the goat ya half a sheen.
Yo! Man say Korea by the goat ya half a sheen. Jaja.
So I find the yard, the dog asleep. Me ask him father, daughter, father film. Circle the swamp, the crooks them gone back in. The rifle me clot the party, water film. Or get ugly, me no play fear. Your baby mother jumpy, a big man a war in a go and go sit down bitch. Me aim fi kill and nothing nobody love me. And nothing don't change and the sun still a ton fish. Business fix birthday, never comfy. Demon make a torment in a luxury. My beer and me play show me over run. Me not junkie, cut your finger, you my auntie dumb.
Yeah, MASICKA, you can't say that MASICKA. No boy can run family from Obey. I mean, know that personally. Trust me.
Coulda wa do dance all beating, stick beating from everybody where you beefing with.
Boom, boom! That is true. Everybody, I one man you beefing on a colleague and they don't even call that clash.
Link figure by gun, feel him slick, killer them, take him money and beat him sick. Walk kick off him and he lift quick. Boy run off, you could even believe him swift. Fire down, shut a fire, him leaving this. A time figure home, mama feeling sick. Better you go in a war again. You are go dead pan the day you born again.
Yo!
Ties demons off of them, slowly torture them. Here Javana beg. Me done passport and start again. Which bamboo, which I done all of them. And anyway me back on me a cause problem. Taurus Riley better in a your corner friend.
Yo! Youth! Tell me, say Tamale are no genius. Tell me. Man say anyone me book you me a corner them. Make sure say you have Taurus Riley in your corner friend. Remember say Tamale, remember say MASICKA and Taurus Riley sing a song. See me? I'm in your corner friend. Youth. Brother. MASICKA, you're done. Nobody answer. Just go on back in a swamp. Do.
Step, anyway, step, anyway, Alopines, Mara fly, Mama cry.
Alright, that's the song. So yo, me put on the 45. Me I gotta tell you now the honest truth. Song 10 out of 10. Lyrical content 10 out of 10. Me I gotta break it down for now. I think the mistake MASICKA made was MASICKA think him coulda make 2 songs, and the 2 songs we make, him think say him coulda just say alright then me I gonna make 2 songs, write him off and that's it. But him underestimate Tamale. And that's the same thing him do with Kaledo. Him feel like him could do the same thing to Tamale when do to Kaledo. Make 2 songs and feel like to Tamale I gonna say alright then boom. You know what me not answer. No, MASICKA, you're wrong. The man live for the moment. You see me? And in this song, Tamale counteract a lot of things what you say. So you can't sing in a song now go say yo him not I know him no deny this, deny that. You see me? So MASICKA, anything you come with, you have to think about it properly. You have to write it, bro. You have to come good. May I tell you the truth. Anything you come with, you have to come good. And bro, me rate you as an artist. He's a lyrical man. And bro, me nah go there and I say you're a lyrical artist. But bro, the last song we sing Revelation ain't ready, dog. It is ready. If it was a single, you just drop it without a name calling, boom, shot. But for a class song, bro, it's not ready. Sorry. Like, comment, share, subscribe, comment down below.